Welcome to the Checkout Guide. Today I am coming with an important Shopify tip. A customer just used 10% off coupon on $1,000 order and now the discount amount is way bigger than expected. If this happened in your Shopify store, then here is a simple fix using the next discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First we can go to the store. So here in product section, click on any product. Then here click on add to cart. Here we can see the total amount is $1,000. So suppose we give 10% as discount, then the discount value the customer will get as $100 they can see. So it is a great amount. So to prevent this from happening, we can add a maximum discount limit using next discount app. So that go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then here in app section, click on next discount. Then here click on create new discount. Here the discount type I select discount code. So give a code. Then the discount value as percentage, give 10%. Then here, this is the capping amount. This is very important part. That is, the capping amount limits the maximum discount customer can receive. So even if the discount should become $100, the app will stop at the value we given. Here I give $40. So it will stop at $40. Now the discount apply for all product. Then discount message, it is for automatic discount. Minimum purchase requirement, not minimum purchase requirement. Eligibility for all customer. Here you can choose the maximum discount uses. Here I choose limit to 1 use per customer. Then we can set the date, the start date to the end date. Here I set. Then the product combined with, here I choose all option. That's it. Now click on save. Okay, it has been saved. Now go to the cart section and here in discount, here we can apply it. Let's see how much it will save. Okay, here it only save $40. So even though 10% should give $100 off, the customer only receive a maximum discount of $40. So it is by here we are giving the capping amount as $40. So there is a limit. So that's it. A small setting like this can protect your Shopify store from unexpected discount losses on large orders. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.